Are you a stay-at-home mom who is looking for a business to do while still in her house? You don't want to go out because you want to still pay attention to every activity happening around you in your home. This video is just for you because I am sharing some business ideas you can run within the comfort of your home with little capital or zero capital. If this interests you, please watch this video to the end. Let's make some money, you know? I want to share these ideas to stay-at-home moms because I am one and I know the challenge I went through to get to where I am. Without much talk, let's dive into the video. The first I want to share with you is sewing. Sewing is one business you can start as a stay-at-home mom and you will make money from it. You might think you need to go to a fashion school to learn more about sewing before you can benefit from this particular idea, but no, you are wrong. There are many things you can do with your sewing machine aside from making clothing for people. And these are duvets, bed sheets, ribbons for women, hair bonnet, something like this. Can't you say it? It's not looking beautiful. This is trending now. It is trending and many people are loving it. Can I shock you? I saw also, and this here, it is one of the easiest to make. If you want to learn how to do it, you can get one and see the simple technique used to make this. Simple technique. Within 5 minutes, this can be done and it is selling very fast in the market. You don't even need much knowledge of sewing before you can do this. Thank goodness there are electric machines, and even if you don't have money to get the electric machine, I don't have one either. What I have is the regular manual butterfly machine. I will find a picture and attach it here, but get the type that can work with electricity. You can get an external electric motor and connect it to that butterfly machine and sew without stress. That is the best option for you. You enjoy using it just like the regular electric machine. Find whatever you can do around that and make and sell. You can also make money from sewing other regular things in the comfort of your home. Remember, we are talking about staying at home and doing it. The second idea is cooking. Yes, you can make money from cooking. We were taught how to cook while growing up, but the truth remains that there are people who are gifted with the art of cooking. When they cook, no matter how little the ingredients are, their food turns out very delicious, and you keep asking them, what did you use in this food that I didn't use? So you see, that is a gift. If you are blessed with such kind of hand, why remain broke when you can use it to your benefit? Leverage on that skill and make some money. So how do you go about this? You can reach out to people. Tell them you cook a particular thing. I don't mean you will cook and go out to sell. Remember, we are talking about businesses you can do within the home and you are still monitoring the activities in your house. So you reach out to people who would need your service. First of all, make yourself available in gatherings and cook. How do you do it? If you have a program in your church and you know you are gifted with that, volunteer to be part of the team that will be cooking food for that program. Please take control of that place. Make sure you are giving them some great ideas that can make the food come out excellent. So if you do that, they will be aware of that skill. And some will ask you, have you been cooking for a long time? You can tell them, yes, I do. If you want me to cook soups for you, cook food for you, I can do that at a fee. You are selling yourself out. And that is simple. Along this line, you can add baking into it. People need cakes, people need snacks for either ceremonies, birthdays, whatever program. They can reach out to you to get it done for them at a fee, and you are making your money. Remember, you do it in the comfort of your home and either send a dispatch rider to deliver to them or they come pick it up themselves. You are still in your house. The next we will be looking at is hair making. You can make hair at the comfort of your home. And these days, things have become very much easier for us. Many people don't even want to go to the salon to take a long time to make their hair. So we have wigs that have been made already for women to just wear and slay and look beautiful. These are the many things you can do at the comfort of your home. So if you find it challenging to attend to people in your house who will come to the house for you to make hair for them, you can go into making wigs and caps in the comfort of your home. If you do not even have the capital to start that, make sure you make one for yourself, and when you go out, please let people know that you do this. If they see how beautiful it is, they can come to you to make it for them. With that, they need to pay you before you get the resources needed to do that job. Yeah, if you don't know how to braid or you don't know how to make hair, you can go to a nearby salon and start developing this skill, especially if you're still single. Yes, I know some single ladies will also watch this. You can start growing the skills before you get married. The next I want to talk about is drop shipping. This is the second video I think I am making and still talking about drop shipping. And I say this every time because this is what I do and make more money from. This is what gives me about 85% of my income. Drop shipping is a lucrative kind of business if you are willing to work through the challenges. What you are to do is to find people who sell items that you are very much interested in selling out there at your profit on those items. Post them on your social media handles. When people request for those items, you can reach out to your supplier and send them the details of the customer so they deliver it to the customer. With that, you still remain in your house and you are making your money. I know sometimes this can be challenging because if you do not find a trustworthy kind of supplier, it will really affect your business. Sometimes you request for a high quality item, they will charge you for that and send inferior quality. If you will consider this kind of business, anytime you have little space for yourself, you can go check out with your suppliers to know the kind of products or items they are delivering to your customers. It will reduce the stress for you at the long run. The next I want to share is for people like us who have read book. You have been reading book but you don't know what to do with that knowledge. You don't know. The best thing to do is to start coaching people online. That is one business we are sleeping on. In fact, you can decide to compound your ideas, your experiences, and transfer them to people by teaching them. See, whatever you know, there is someone out there who is looking for that information. Imagine keeping the ideas to yourself, keeping that knowledge to yourself. You can start coaching people, teach people those things. You can teach people how to go into businesses. You can teach people, even this videos I am sharing here, I can decide to compress them into a book and advertise it. People will run into your WhatsApp and will pay for these courses. When they pay for them, make sure you teach them. Teach them. If you know anything that people are looking for, you can begin coaching people online, especially if you have excellent teaching skills. Why not leverage on that? Make books, make handouts, and teach people how to do those stuffs. And definitely you will see people who will patronize you. If you look at all the skills I shared, you can leverage on the online space to market yourself, even without going out to meet people and talk to them. If you make a beautiful hair and do a video of yourself at home looking beautiful on that hair, put it on your Instagram page, put it on Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, you will definitely see someone who will develop interest in what you have done and they will ask you to do for them. That is not a big deal, right? We always go on these platforms. So you need to do that and make that money. Don't stay idle. This has brought me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video to this very moment. Have a blessed day.